Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart. We are here to do our weekly Walmart rebate haul, and we are going to make another pit stop before we go home for another really great deal that I want to show you guys, and I hope you guys are able to do it. So I am working with two bonuses today. I'm going to have to take a look at what they are here. So I have a pot of gold bonus that I got last week, and it was for $3 for 7 offers. And then I also have a midweek moneymaker bonus that is $3 for 8 offers. And I've gotten some rebates earlier in the week, so I only need to actually get 3 offers. So I'm going to get a few more than that, though. I'm going to get some brand club deals. I'm going to get some Shopkick deals. That way I can show you how to really maximize your savings, and we can get some items that we don't typically get, and then we can use our money makers to help pay for that. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There will be a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use to help you out in the store. But that's really all I have, guys. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we're gonna do at Walmart is a Shopkick deal, and it is on the Safeguard. So I am gonna grab the Safeguard hand sanitizer for $3.97. Then we're gonna go grab some of the soap. And then we're gonna grab a soap. I like this one here, and it's pretty too. So this is going to equal us $6.97. Submit your receipt to Shopkick for 1,600 kicks. Those are the buy kicks. And then when you scan these in store, you'll get 10 kicks each. So that will equal out to 1,620 kicks, which is equivalent to $6.48, which equals out to 49 cents for both of them, or about 24 cents a piece. And I think that's a really good deal because these are big soaps and big sanitizers. So now we're gonna grab some more Shopkick offers. So I'm gonna grab all of them at once because there's about 4 or 5 of them right here. And then I'll tell you the total, sorry for that, the total, and then how much we're gonna get back for all of it. So we're gonna grab a bar soap for $1.47. We're gonna grab a body wash here for $1.73. Then we're gonna grab a little Travel Dove deodorant, and then for the women's and the men's. And then we're gonna grab this Gillette deodorant here, and those all 3 are $1.97. So I had to put the Gillette back because the Gillette is no longer available. So I'm gonna just grab these 4 here for $7.14. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Shopkick, and I'm going to get back 425 kicks for this one, and 900 for this one, and this one. So we're gonna get back 2,650 kicks for these guys, or $10.60, which equals out to a $3.46 moneymaker. So definitely pick these up if you have them on your Shopkick. So I also forgot to tell you that when I buy a Dove product and submit my receipt to Brand Club, I get $1.50 back. So I'm also gonna get an additional $1.50 back for buying these items here. So it's gonna be a $4.96 moneymaker for me for just getting these little guys right here. So we have a freebie on Ibotta for this guy, and I'm kind of interested in it. It's $8.48. The offer back, I think, is $7.84. It could be, let me check. Yes, these are $7.84 is what we will get back on Ibotta, but then we will submit our receipt to fetchrewards, and we will also get back 75 cents. So that'll make these free and an 11-cent moneymaker. I'm gonna go with the vanilla. I tend to like those more in these type of things than I do the chocolate, even though I love chocolate, of course, but we're gonna try the vanilla. Then we're gonna grab the Gatorade Protein. My boyfriend really, really likes these. So these are $5.98. I have a 50% off offer back on Ibotta for this for $2.99. Then I will also get back 75 cents on Fetch Rewards. So let me figure the math out for that one. So it makes it $2.24 for a 4-pack of these Gatorades, and we actually really like these. These are actually really good. So I'm over here at the Snuggle, and I have a brand club rebate for $2 back. I also have this coupon here for $2. I'm thinking on getting those tubs right there because it does say it's a cent booster. Or I could get a small box of Snuggle for $1.97, get back $2, making it free, and I can use the $1.50 coupon, making it a $1.50 moneymaker. So I'm kind of torn what to do because I can only get $2 back one time. I think I'm going to do those cent boosters. So the cent boosters are oh my gosh. So the scent boosters are $7.47. I'm gonna try this coupon because it says in-wash scent booster, and here it says scent booster. So I'm gonna see if that works. I would think it would, even though this is just pictured on it. We'll see. Even though it would work per se at the register, it doesn't mean it's correct, but I'm just going by wordage, verbiage, wordage. There you go. So then we're gonna get back $2 on Brand Club because I have been getting a lot of Snuggle products at Walmart with Brand Club, and I get surveys quite frequently for Snuggle. So I'm gonna get back $2 for buying this. So this would cost me $3.47. So not bad, and I'm getting it because I have a lot of money makers that I'm getting as well. So happy about that. So next we're gonna grab some Tide here at $5.44. They used to be $4.94 for the longest time. But we're gonna grab these. Here, let's move some stuff out of the way. And we are going to use the $2 coupon, of course, from the March P&G. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Brand Club. I did a survey for Tide for $2.50 back on Tide. So we will be getting $4.50 off of this. So it's gonna make this 94 cents. So it's not the greatest deal that we're used to, but under $1, I'll take that. And the laundry deals have been kind of dry the past few weeks. So we're gonna just grab it. We're gonna just grab it. So next we're gonna grab some yeast, which I'm actually super excited about because we actually just used up our last bit of yeast for some pizza dough, I think it was. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't make it. But we're gonna grab this here, and it is $1.52. We're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back 50 cents. We're gonna get back a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, and we're gonna get back a 10-cent any flour bonus. And it's not really a bonus, it's just another any rebate. That does expire today for me though, so that's gonna make these 92 cents, which I think is a great deal. So next I'm going to do another rebate on Ibotta, and I'm gonna grab this Chardento Creamery, and I'm getting the cheddar. My store only has a cheddar and a 3-cheese Mexican, but this stuff is so amazing, guys. I really, really like it. So anyways, this is $2.70. I have a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.70, which I don't think is half bad for a bag of cheese, and it's a little bit smaller than normal bags of cheese, but I'll still take it. So this is one I wanted to point out. I'm a little leery about getting it because I have no idea if anybody will like it. So it's the Chobani cold brew coffee for $3.78. You have to buy 2 of them, and it's buy one get one free on Ibotta. So I wanted to show you guys that. It kind of sounds good. I'm not 100% because I'm not really a coffee drinker. So this is everything we're getting this week. I think it's going to be a pretty good haul. Then we're going to go over to Dollar Tree and do an amazing deal over at Dollar Tree. I'm super excited to show you guys about that. So let's go out to the vehicle and see how everything went. So I thought I recorded in store for the video today, but I only recorded it for my Instagram reel. So here is the picture of what you're going to get. I found them over in the cleaning section, and these are $1. You're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. On the coupons.com app, there is an offer for Airwick refills like this that are $6.50 for 2 of them. So it will only work like this with the coupons.com offer not with the printable coupon. There's no overage when you coupon at Dollar Tree. So my store, these were only $1, even though you can see the $1.25 on the shelf. So I paid $2. I'll get back $6.50 on the coupons.com app, making these a $4.50 moneymaker. If you want to see a little bit more detail about this, you can look at my short that I uploaded on YouTube yesterday. Alright guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and it's coming down out there. There are big, fat, super cold raindrops. But other than that, everything went great. I mean, I don't think one thing went wrong. So let's talk about the Dollar Tree really quick. So at the Dollar Tree, I went in there and I grabbed the Airwick refills, and they are $1.25 everywhere in my store. Is what I mean is that all over the shelves it says $1.25, not $1. But when she rang up my Airwick thingies, I'll put my receipt right here. They were only $1. So my moneymaker for the Airwick is $4.50. But I just said $1.25 because most Dollar Trees now are converted over to $1.25. So I uploaded a short yesterday on my YouTube channel and on Instagram, and it explained that when you go into your coupons.com app right about here, it will show that you need to search for your store because you won't be able to see it. So search for Dollar Tree, and it's going to say no store found. Underneath that search area, there's going to be a spot that you will want to tap for an unlisted store. So just tap that and you'll be able to upload your receipt, and then you scan your Airwick refills, and that works totally fine. So I have seen a lot of people get this rebate back, no problems. It just takes a little bit longer than what we're typically used to, and my guess is because it's an unlisted store. So I would definitely go do that, and it would just take probably 3 or 4 days, maybe a little bit longer than that. But if you have had problems with that, let me know. But I've seen many people have no issues with getting their $6.50 back from the coupons.com app. So let's talk about Walmart. I had no issues in Walmart. I only used 2 coupons, which was nice. I mean, I love couponing, but it's also nice when you can get super good deals with no coupons. So I used the Snuggle coupon. That went through totally fine. But like I said with that, even though it goes through, doesn't necessarily mean you've used the coupon correctly. But I'm going by the words on the coupon and the words on the packaging that they're both boosters. So that would mean, you know, I totally would think that that would work and be fine. I wouldn't think that that was, you know, misuse in any way. So my total for everything in Walmart and at the Dollar Tree was $43.67. I got back $12.43 on Ibotta, and I also got back $3 for my midweek moneymaker bonus. I also got back the $3 for the Pot O Gold bonus. Then I should get back $6.50 from the coupons.com app, which those are more like coupon reimbursements and not like a rebate. Then I got back $4.04 on the Fetch Rewards. Now this was the surprise, or maybe I just didn't look very well. But on Fetch Rewards, I was thinking I was going to get back about $1.50. But I got back a lot more than that, and I'll put that up right here. The main surprise was I got an additional $1 back on top of the $1, on top of the 75 cents for the Evolve Protein. So I got an additional 1,000 points for that. So I got $4.04 back on Fetch. Now, the big one is Shopkick. So for the items that I got from Shopkick, my total was 4,250 kicks. That's pretty darn good. So that equals out to $17. Now, those items that were the small items that I got, not the safeguard, you can go through the store and you can scan the bigger items if you'd like to get more kicks. I just thought I would just pass on that part just to get in and out a little bit quicker. So I got back $17 on Shopkick, and then I got back $6.15 on Brand Club. So after I synced my accounts, it showed no rewards found, but I went over to my activity section and it showed that I got back my rebates for Dove, Snuggle, Tide, and I did get a little one for Safeguard. So I got back $1.50 for the Dove. I got back $2 for the Snuggle. I got back $2.50 for the Tide, and then I got back 15 cents for the Safeguard. I got some other rebates as well, but those were other rebates, other things that I had gotten in the past. It picked it up. I don't know, but I didn't include those in what I got back. So that makes everything that I got today free and an $8.45 moneymaker, guys. That is insane, considering that I got Tide and Snuggle in there. So happy with that. And I'm really excited about the Snuggle and all of it. I just love all of it. I mean, I got yeast. I know yeast isn't expensive, but I got yeast and cheese. Oh my gosh, so excited. Isn't it funny how certain things make us so excited? But yeah, that is really all I have, guys. I don't really show my Walmart receipt. I mean, I guess I can, but I don't really show my Walmart receipt because there's not really much to see. There's the 2 coupons that come off. But yeah, there's not really much to see with the old Walmart receipts. But it is, I think, important to show them in some of the other videos that I do. A couple things I want to talk about really quick before we go is, first of all, I'm having a giveaway for 2 $50 gift cards that will be ending tomorrow. But it's over on my Instagram if you want to go over there and enter into that. That is down below in the description box to get to my Instagram. But I'm having a giveaway with the 4 other ladies that I talk to almost every single day, and that is Coupons with Alicia, Bree the Coupon Queen, Couponing with Kayla, and Saving with Christina. Those are my girls. I love them so much. We are like a nice little tribe of couponing women, and I love it. But we're all just teaming up together to do a nice little giveaway. It's not sponsored or anything like that. It's just a giveaway that we like to do every so often on our Instagram pages. Also, if you want to sign up for Brand Club, that is really easy to do, and there is a link down in the description box to sign up. When you sign up and you create your account, you will get $10. When you sync your Walmart, Amazon, and Target accounts, I think maybe Chewy, you will get money for each one of those. Then you can join some clubs and you will get more cash back. So you can really cash out above the $20 mark. I think I cashed out the first time. I think it was $31 after I just signed up, linked my accounts, and joined some clubs. So there's definitely ways to just make a little bit of cash that way, and you can do it just quickly, just like that. I know that there is some hiccups for some people. It is a new app, but it's definitely something to consider. So the Brand Club app is basically just an app for you to get rewarded for brand loyalty. So I keep getting rewards for Snuggle, and I keep getting rewards for Duracell and Persil, because those are the items that I buy frequently, and I get surveys for them. And then when I get a survey for them, that's how I get like the $2.50 rebate for that. So super excited. I love using Brand Club. I love seeing what surveys I can take to match up with Ibotta offers and things like that. So it's definitely something to consider, because I got an additional $6. I got additional $6 today. So I'm super happy about that. But anyways, guys, that is all I really have. Tomorrow should be my video for Brand Club. I know I've been saying that, but my daughter came home from college for spring break, and then I got super sick, so I wasn't able to get my video out. But as soon as it's out, it will be uploaded, and I will be letting everyone know that it is available for you to watch and, you know, help you guys out. So anyways, that's really all I have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video, guys. Bye. I got back $3. So one more thing that I wanted to mention, especially since you will be, it's brand, meaning, so the Brand Club is basically just a loyal,